Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonесoup.com and today I've got another healthy 5-ingredient recipe for you. Okay, so for my frittata I've got 6 eggs in my bowl here and 50 grams of grated parmesan, which is 2 ounces, 2.5 ounces. So I'm just going to pop in a bit of salt and give that a whisk. And then I've also got my mushrooms. So I've got 500 grams of mushrooms, which is about a pound of just whatever button mushrooms, kind of small ones, that I've just cooked up in a couple of tablespoons of butter and a bit of olive oil with a sprig of rosemary, so that I just sliced the mushrooms and cooked them for a couple of minutes, 5 minutes, until they were soft, stirring them every now and again. So I'm just going to get them in with the egg. Then I've got a 20 centimeter, so 8-inch springform pan that I've lined the base and the sides with baking paper, just because eggs love to stick. You don't have to, you could just grease it if you wanted to, but I like to take the extra precaution. So yeah, eggy, cheesy, mushroomy goodness goes in. And then just to make it look a bit prettier, I've just got some extra parmesan I'm going to just shave over. But you don't have to use the cheese. You could just use a few extra mushrooms, or you could put in some more veggies, like some sun-dried tomatoes would be nice, or some fresh tomato, or whatever you think. Or just make sure you season it well with salt if you're not using the cheese, because you're not going to get the salty cheesy goodness. And then it's just going to go in the oven, so 200C, which is 400F, I'm going to check it after 15 minutes. Sometimes, depending on how hot everything is, it can take between 15 and 20 minutes, so best to check after 15. So the frittata's had 20 minutes in, and you can see it's all really beautifully golden, and it's all puffed up and springy, so that is done. So I'm just going to get that out, and then we're ready to serve with a green salad. So if you enjoyed this recipe, really encourage you to come on over and visit my blog. It's thestonесoup.com, and if you sign up for email updates, you get a free ebook filled with video recipes just like this one. Hope to see you soon.